رمضان كريم 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 شهر عظيم عظيم عظيم.
هلا بك يا شهر رمضان،
هلا بك دوم نستنى
يا شهر الخير والإحسان،
وطول العام ما ننسى.
هلا بك يا شهر.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to At-tibyan channel.
My name is Tijani Nazifa and I'm here with my sister
Adebayo Islamia.
We're here to talk about the rules and practices in Ramadan. The main rule in Ramadan is that Muslims should abstain from eating, drinking, sexual activities and immoral acts from dawn to sunset.
During the month of Ramadan, Muslims are expected to engage in spiritual activities such as eating sahur. Eating sahur is the food you eat before sunrise, and it is very important as it has a lot of blessing. Don't mix it.
Praying 5 times daily. Make sure you pray your 5 times daily salat. You can pray in a mosque close to your house or you pray at home with your family, and make sure you pray at the right time. I repeat, pray at the right time. And after each salat, don't just stand up. Do zikr and make dua.
Reading Quran is very essential during the month of Ramadan, as we know that this is the month that the Quran was reviewed. Make sure you learn an ayah or two during the month of Ramadan.
Performing acts of charity. Performing acts of charity, if you have the means to do so, you can do it. It goes a long way and it is a great way of helping those that are in need. In this month of Ramadan, you can just plan to share iftar meals to those people that are in need.
Seeking forgiveness is very important, as we know that it opens doors of blessing and rahmah for us. Allahumma innaka afuwwun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. This should be in your mouth all through the month of Ramadan.
Always be kind. Kindness is one of the human qualities that can make a difference in the world. There are some acts of kindness that you can do. You can always check up on your neighbors or your close relatives, and also talk kindly and politely to people around you.
Iftar is the happy time for everybody. You've been fasting since morning and you want to eat your meal, but make sure you break your fast with a date and a pure clean water. Don't eat too much because you are going to pray Tarawih.
Attend Tarawih. Tarawih is a special prayer in the month of Ramadan, and according to the hadith of the Prophet, when you pray Tarawih, your previous year's sins will be forgiven. Muslims, in the month of Ramadan, please abstain from backbiting, gossiping, immoral acts and negative languages. According to one of the hadiths of the Prophet, fasting is like a shield. So when one of you is fasting, do not utter any bad language nor talk in anger. When somebody insults you, don't talk back at the person. Just tell the person, "Anna saw him, I am fasting."
Ramadan is obligatory to all Muslims except people that I want to list below now. Children who hasn't reached the age of puberty, a breastfeeding mom, a pregnant and a menstruating lady, a traveler, and an old person. All these people are to pay back their fasting except a children who hasn't reached the age of puberty and an old person.
Ramadan is a special time of the year for all Muslims. The rules and practices in Ramadan makes Ramadan a memorable and important, interesting month for us. From fasting to praying and engaging in other spiritual activities brings us closer to Allah.
We hope you learn one or more about Ramadan again. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. Do not forget to share, like and comment.
Feel free to share your thoughts and your questions in the comment section. Assalamu alaikum.
رمضان كريم 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 شهر عظيم عظيم عظيم.
هلا بك يا
رمضان كريم 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 شهر عظيم عظيم عظيم.
هلا بك يا
رمضان كريم كريم